Ever pondered about how we untangle the knots of challenges in this modern era? In the not-so-distant past, the answer would have been books, teachers, or perhaps experts in the field, but today the narrative has shifted. Welcome to a new age of problem-solving, where the answers lay not in the hallowed halls of universities, but in the digital landscape of YouTube. Take a step back to February of 2005. YouTube was born in a garage, much like many other Silicon Valley giants. It started as an unassuming platform for sharing videos, a virtual stage for anyone with a story to tell, a song to sing, or a cat to show off. Fast forward to 2006. Google recognized the potential of this platform and acquired it, beginning an era of rapid evolution for YouTube. The platform transformed from a simple video sharing site to a global stage, showcasing an array of content from music videos to DIY tutorials, from movie trailers to educational content. In 2008, YouTube took a significant leap by unveiling the Partner Program, allowing content creators to monetize their videos. This move sparked an explosion of content as the platform was no longer just a hobby, it was a potential career. As the years rolled on, YouTube became more than a platform for entertainment. It morphed into a problem-solving powerhouse. Need to fix a leaky faucet? YouTube it. Can't figure out a complex math problem? YouTube it. Want to learn a new language? YouTube it. By 2015, YouTube had become a go-to platform for learning and problem-solving. The rise of how-to videos and educational channels transformed YouTube into a global classroom, breaking down geographical boundaries and making knowledge accessible to anyone with an internet connection. In recent years, YouTube communities have started to collaborate to solve not just individual problems but global challenges. Channels focusing on climate change, social justice, and world health issues have blossomed, harnessing the power of collective intelligence to drive change. So here we are in the present day, standing on the precipice of a new era. YouTube, this vast, dynamic, and ever-evolving platform, has revolutionized the way we solve problems. From its humble beginnings in a garage to its current status as a global classroom and problem-solving hub, YouTube has truly transformed how we approach challenges. To recap, YouTube's evolution has been a journey from a simple video-sharing platform to a global stage, then to a monetized career opportunity, and finally to a problem-solving powerhouse. Its rise as a global classroom has democratized learning, making knowledge accessible to all. And its recent development as a hub for collective problem-solving holds the promise of a brighter future. In the grand scheme of things, YouTube has become a university in its own right, teaching us not just how to solve problems, but also encouraging us to collaborate and tackle the world's challenges together. So the next time you're faced with a problem, remember the answer might just be a YouTube video away. But where do you start in this vast university of YouTube? Well, meet the Priority Problem Solvers, a YouTube channel dedicated to equipping you with the right tools and strategies to solve problems. They're like your personal tutors in this massive online university. Their content ranges from simple everyday troubleshooting to complex problem-solving techniques used by experts. They provide a step-by-step guide, empowering you with skills to tackle any problem that comes your way. What's more, they constantly update their content, ensuring that you're equipped with the latest and most effective strategies. And the best part? It's all free. All you need to do is subscribe to their channel and you're one step closer to becoming a master problem solver. So go ahead, dive into the world of problem solving with Priority Problem Solvers. Your journey to becoming a master problem solver starts here.